Hey guys, how's it going? It's that time of, you know what, do I even need to remind you about what time of the week it is by now? Really? I mean, I've been super consistent with the weekly videos that I can only hope you're familiar with the kind of stuff I put up on my channel. Unless, of course, you're new here, in which case I'm your host, Karan Bajaj, aka Dubai's friendly neighborhood property man. Now, when it comes to real estate, right, everyone loves to get off to a nice, luxurious, and well-designed property. Which is fair. I mean, we've come a long way since our caveman days. But as we journey towards a better future, have we ever stopped to consider our environment? You know, especially in terms of carbon footprint. Yeah, probably. This one time, I think. Anyway, before I digress any further, what if there was a development that literally had it all? You know, high-end luxury, spectacular location, bespoke facilities, and to top it all off, sustainable living. So before you call me delusional, I bring you an exceptional development that gives you front row seats to downtown Dubai, Imperial Avenue. Now, in one sentence, Imperial Avenue is an ultra-luxurious 45-story sustainable skyscraper located in downtown Dubai, offering unobstructed views of the Burj Khalifa and Boulevard, along with the Dubai Water Canal, and consists of 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and 4-bedroom apartments, 4-bedroom and 5-bedroom penthouses, and finally, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, and 5-bedroom podium villas due for completion in December 2022. Developed by the 156-year-old global heavyweight contractor Shapoorji Pallonji, this project boasts over 40,000 square feet of landscaped podiums and features sustainable elements like solar panels on the roof, grey water harvesting, 60 BIM technology, water purifiers, and LPG gas connections. Alright, in terms of amenities, they're actually very hotel-esque, and I'm gonna pop them up on screen for you guys to be able to pause and read them in 3, 2, 1. Oh, in terms of location and proximities, you'd be within walking distance from the Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa. See? Alright guys, so right now we are about to check out a 3-bedroom plus Maid's show apartment for Imperial Avenue. Right, but before we do that, check out this cool graphic on the wall right next to me. So apparently these are the landmarks of iconic significance that the developer Shapoorji Pallonji have constructed over the years. You know, I'm going to throw this image up on screen for you guys to be able to look at it. But yeah, for now, let's check out the show apartment. It's actually behind this wall. And we're going to teleport there in 3, 2, 1. Woo! And we are here. Wow. Okay, but before we check out the show apartment, right, there's something I really need to tell you guys about when it comes to the interiors of these apartments. So they actually come in 2 distinct flavors, and let me break it down for y'all real quick so you guys see what I mean. Right, so the luxury apartments from the 6th to the 25th floors will have a sort of grey theme going on for it when it comes to the interior design, while the premium luxury apartments, podium villas, and penthouses will have a beige theme going on for it, and they will be located from the 26th to the 45th floors. Now, where were we? Dubai Propertyman in the house. So this right here is actually a premium luxury show apartment that has a beige theme going on for its interiors, as you guys can see all around me. And somewhere in the show apartment, there is a hidden door that I will be revealing towards the end of this tour. So stick around, don't go anywhere, and don't fast forward. It's going to be pretty cool. All right, I'm at the entrance right now. Let's start off with the flooring, shall we? We have marble flooring. To my right, we have a wall, and while these ornaments and furniture are not included, these circular mirrors look trippy nonetheless. And before I get distracted any further, immediately to my left, we have an island-style modular open kitchen. The countertop and splashbacks are made out of marble. And let's talk about the appliances that come with this apartment, right? We have a massive refrigerator built into the wall unit. Let me open it completely. You can see how thick those hinges are. Oh, we have beverages, snacks, and eggs. What do you know? Right under that, we have a deep freezer. Okay. Beside that, we have a steam microwave oven, a dishwasher, a gas stove, and an oven. Now, these appliances right here are from Maid. However, the developer of Imperial Avenue have decided to upgrade their entire range of appliances to a brand called Bertazzoni. I'm looking at the catalog of sorts right here in front of me, flipping through it, but you guys can look them up online. Italian, high-end, and the real deal. All right, so moving on to the kitchen sink, we have a 1.5 bowl kitchen sink from Frankel. The main bowl and mini bowl have drains of their own. The kitchen sink mixer is from Jesse. Moving on to, okay, but before I tell you what I was about to tell you, right on in the kitchen sink, in this cabinet, we have the water purification system that runs on reverse osmosis technology. It is not outfitted right now, but this is how it looks like. It's going to be in every apartment of Imperial Avenue. Talking about these wall units, they're actually very utilitarian in the sense that they can apparently hold up to 25 kilos in weight, and they have this nice LED lighting strip right under them. Don't know if you guys can see that properly. Adds a very nice touch if you ask me. Alright, so let's open some of these cabinets now. They have these soft close hinges, so even if I attempt to slam this cabinet door, see, you guys barely heard anything, if not nothing at all. Because hint, it never slammed. Alright, so we have a dish rack over here where you can place your wet dishes, allow the water to drip down over here and just throw it away into the drain right there. Nice. Let's open some other cabinets. Am I doing this too fast? Don't know. Let's open it at a decent pace. Okay, so this cabinet over here is similar to this cabinet over here below, so I'm not going to open these ones below. But what I am going to open are these drawers, because they have these cordoned off sections for your utensils. In fact, this entire first row of drawers on the island have these cordoned off sections where you can comfortably place all your utensils. See, you get plenty of space and you probably won't run out of it anytime soon. Now, this island over here actually doubles as a breakfast bar. You can comfortably place 3 stools over here. As I proceed further, immediately to my left we have the dining space that leads up to a balcony of sorts, and we'll be checking it out towards the end of this tour, so stick around. To my right we have the living space, and the ceilings themselves are pretty high, 3.6 meters to be precise. We have floor-to-ceiling, wall-to-wall windows over here. Let me just go around that so you guys can have a good look. Alright, you can see the kitchen, living space and dining space in this place where I'm standing right now. So, time to check out the bedrooms of this apartment. Alright, this is a little corridor over here. To my right, we have a spacious powder room with a generously sized vanity top and a big mirror right above it. There's a toilet bowl over here. I'm going to talk more about the fittings and sanitary ware when we get to the master bathroom. But for now, let us just proceed. Okay, moving further into this corridor. To my right, we have a little maid's room where you can comfortably place a single bed. And there's also an ensuite bathroom, but this show apartment doesn't have it. It does have a wall, and I'm not going to walk into a wall for you guys. But yeah, the ensuite bathroom is going to be a little smaller than the ensuite bathrooms of the bedrooms, which is pretty much granted. But yeah, moving on. Alright, proceeding further. To my left, we have bedroom number 1. As I enter bedroom number 1, to my right, we have these tall bespoke wardrobes that have light sensors. So if I open this completely, voila, just opened. You have a space on top for your storage and whatnot. A little clothes rack over here where you can hang your tops and shirts. There's enough space for that. And these drawers as well. Let me just open 2 of them. This one and this long one over here. Alright, nice. Oh yeah, and these built-in wardrobes actually have a wood veneer finish, right? You want me to open the other built-in wardrobe? Okay, there is another set right here. Let me just open that too. Sensor will come on. You guys can see this is relatively more in terms of height. You can keep your bedding and whatnot. Now, to my left, we have the ensuite bathroom. Alright, I've got to tell you guys about 3 configurations of bathroom that you get in these apartments. Right, so the first one is the shower cubicle with rain shower. Can you see that little metal plate on top? That is a rain shower. We have a toilet bowl and an elongated vanity top. So this is configuration number 1 with a rain shower and shower cubicle. Right? Get a good look at that, guys. Big mirror over here. Alright, moving out of this space. This is bedroom number 1. Let's have a look as to how much space you guys can expect. Floor-to-ceiling, wall-to-wall windows as well. This balcony opens up to the main balcony that extends all the way up to the living space. We'll be checking that out towards the end of this tour. But yeah, for now, moving on into bedroom number 2. Alright, as I proceed further, we have bedroom number 2 to my left. But before we check that out, to my right, we have a laundry/utility room, which is pretty spacious, as you can see. The washing machine will be from Bertazzoni, right? And yeah, ignore what's behind me. This is a server room of sorts. But yeah, this is the actual space for the laundry/utility room. Moving on to the space, let's check out bedroom number 2. Okay, to To my left, we have built-in wardrobes that are similar to the ones we saw in bedroom number 1, so I'm not going to open that. To my right, we have the ensuite bathroom, and this is actually configuration number 2, right, with the elongated vanity top, mirror on top, toilet bowl, and bathtub. This one doesn't have a rain shower, but it does have a bathtub. All right, time to check out bedroom number 2. Okay, you guys can see, pretty spacious, right? Okay, let's go into the master bedroom. Okay, the master bedroom is right at the end of this corridor. As I proceed ahead, to my right, we have these built-in wardrobes right outside the master bathroom. Let's check this out. Okay, pretty similar-ish to the built-in wardrobes in bedroom number 1. But yeah, let's have a look at that, right? Cool, guys. Time to check out the master bathroom. Now, this is configuration number 3 for your bathroom of sorts. We get the shower cubicle with rain shower. You can see that it's pretty lit up over there. Okay, we have a toilet bowl, we have a vanity top with a mirror on top, and we have a bathtub. So over here you get both the rain shower and the bathtub. The fittings and sanitary ware are from Kola. Right, moving on to the master bedroom. Let's proceed ahead. Okay, so you can see that there are 2 extra sets of built-in wardrobes over here. Let me just open that. Right, this is the master bedroom. So you get more built-in wardrobes over here compared to the first 2 bedrooms. All right, and have a look at the master bedroom. Okay, basket in, guys, basket in. Nice, so now we're gonna check out the balcony. I'm gonna fast forward this part, so don't go anywhere. All right, so we are here on the balcony. This is actually a wooden deck made out of engineered wood. You can see that is pretty spacious, right? I'm gonna walk all the way there. You can hear my loud footsteps because I'm walking on wood right now. So it extends all the way up to bedroom number 1. Okay, from bedroom number 1 till the living space. This is not the view that you'll be getting because this is not on site, right? The project hasn't been constructed yet. But yeah, just an idea as to how much space you guys can expect. You can comfortably place a sofa, coffee table, and whatnot over here. Right, so it's time for the secret door that I wanted to show you guys. All right, can you see this little wall over here? Okay, this is not included in the apartment. This is just for show. All right, this is how I entered the show apartment. Voila, open sesame. Okay, and this leads up to the office. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the show apartment. And that was episode 14 of the Property Game of Tours featuring Imperial Avenue. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. And if you'd like to book a free consultation with Dubai's friendly neighborhood Propertyman, I mentioned a link in the description box as well. If you'd like to rent, buy or sell property, check out famproperties.com. We're one of the best, if not the best, just saying. And I will see you guys in the next one.